Hello students. In this session of 15 of company final accounts, we will be discussing about the items such as payment of tax, advance payment of tax and the journal entries with respect to the advance payment of tax. Like we have understood from our previous session what income tax is and how it is paid in three stages. The first stage is being advance payment of tax. So what is advance tax? Advance tax is an EMI to the tax department which you pay before the end of the financial year or the previous year like we discussed in our last session. Advance tax is the income tax payable if your tax liability is more than 10,000 in a financial year. Any amount paid up to March 31st will also be accepted as advance tax for that financial year. Individuals may pay advance tax using tax payment challans at bank branches authorized by the income tax department. Advance tax is also known as a pay tax as you earn. So it is a phrase which tells you can keep paying tax as you earn. It should be paid in advance during the financial year instead of a lump sum payment after the end of the year. You need to pay advance tax if your estimated total tax liability, that is after tax deducted at source, is 10,000 or more in a financial year. These payments have to be made in installments as per due dates provided by the income tax department. Advance tax applies to all taxpayers irrespective of the profession, whether you're salaried, you're a freelancer or a businessman. However, senior citizens who are 60 years or more and do not run a business are exempt from paying advance tax. When an advance tax is paid, the journal entry to record this would be advance income tax accounts debited to the bank account. Under Income Tax Act of 1961, companies are required to pay advance tax on their expected profit. When advance payment of tax are made, the entry is advance income tax account debited to bank account and the description will be being payment of tax in advance.